I'm an immigration. Okay, you're a citizen of the United States?
Do you have a warrant?
Yes, we have a warrant.
Against hold the law.
I don't need a warrant.
I'm not trying to say that this.
Spanish from immigration attorney?
No. No.
All right, sir. You being saying you have the right to remain silent. You don't have to answer any of their questions.
What country are you
Present
from?
documents, identification.
Sir, how are you feeling right now? Can I ask your reaction?
No question.
No question. What country are you from, sir?
Don't answer any questions, all right? Stay as calm as you can.
Sir, are you a U.S. citizen?
This guy is not your friend.
I'll be soon. I'll play everything.
Let me know if you feel
It's a media, but that's.
What country are you from?
How do you feel about being deported?
I don't have to answer any questions, boss. No questions, media or the officers.
Oh, sorry, I don't have to answer questions.
Do you have any reaction?
Remember your right to remain silent.
Guys, put them out.
Police catch schoolgirl with big boy in Brownstown and line them up to walk.
Police line them up, send them down. Pull over and then they're right man. Ang galing mga pesa. Officer Adi with the man now. Oh, bro. When school over, you know, I'm down the yard. Wala, leader.